Ever wondered how to turn your creativity into a revenue stream on Facebook Reels? Well, today, we're delving into the world of Facebook Reels monetization, providing a complete guide for all you content creators out there. First off, let's understand in-stream ads. These are short ads that get slotted into your Facebook Reels. They only appear after a viewer has been engaged with your video for at least 30 seconds. More captivating your content, higher the chances of attracting advertisers and raking in the revenue. Next on the agenda is brand partnerships. Brands are constantly scouting for influencers and creators for collaboration. When you team up with brands that resonate with your content, you can monetize your Facebook Reels via sponsored videos and product placements. It's a scenario where you can earn while endorsing products or services you have faith in. Now, what about Facebook's fan subscriptions? Say, you have a committed fan base, they can back you directly through monthly subscription fees. As a token of gratitude, you can offer exclusive perks like early access to content, behind-the-scenes footage, or personalized shout-outs. This direct bond with your audience not only assures a steady income but also helps nurture relationships with your most loyal fans. Lastly, we have the concept of Facebook stars. These are virtual gifts your viewers can send you while they watch your Facebook Reels. Each star holds a certain value, and once you accumulate a certain number, you can exchange them for real money. It's a unique way for your audience to express their appreciation for your content while contributing to your financial success. To sum it up, Facebook Reels offers a plethora of ways for content creators to monetize their videos. Ranging from in-stream ads and brand partnerships to fan subscriptions and Facebook stars, you've got multiple avenues to generate income while doing what you love. It's time to explore these options and unlock your full earning potential on Facebook Reels today. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you found it helpful, remember to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, keep creating and keep earning.